Do you hate when your audience retention looks like this? Well, today I want to show you guys some common mistakes that you could be doing, making the viewer leave your video early. Welcome to the Matheson Method. I'm Chase Matheson, and I want to help you guys get more watch hours, helping you rank higher in search, resulting in more views. So make sure you have a really good hook at the start of your video, because your hook's what's going to get the viewer's attention right at the start, making them want to watch all the way till the end. As you can see, this YouTuber did a really good job at starting their video in a way where you're intrigued and you want to watch till the end. The easiest way to do this is by starting with a clip that's the highlight of the video. Or you can state exactly what the video is going to be about, whether it's entertainment or knowledge. Also, make sure your thumbnail and your title aren't misleading, because if they get to your content and it makes no sense for what they were expecting out of your video, of course they're going to click off your content. Then get to the point pretty quickly after your hook. You can remind the viewer to subscribe, hit the bell to be notified, or whatever else you want to say before getting into the video. Just remember, the longer it takes to get to the point and what the viewer actually came to the video for, the higher chances they will click off your video and leave you with the audience retention graph looking like the one at the start of this video. Comment down below if you have a hockey stick looking graph or any tips and tricks you have to help other viewers like you fix their audience retention. When you deliver a video that matches what your title, thumbnail, and hook are trying to promote, people are not only going to just click on this video, they're going to keep watching it. And then there's a really good chance that they're going to go watch other videos, which extends the user's viewing session time. These are great things because YouTube will start noticing this, and then they will start promoting your videos in different places, like after other content creators' videos or related videos, or even on the homepage of people who have watched one of your videos but haven't subscribed yet. If this isn't working, then your title and thumbnail are making the viewer expect something different than what they're expecting in your video, whether you've done this intentionally or not, or your video's on point but it's too slow, or it's just not the right fit for the viewer, or there's just too much time in between the key points of interest. Let's just say your content is awesome, and if people got to it, you know they would watch it. Then you should spend a lot of time thinking about your thumbnail and title, because all said and done, they have to click on your video to be able to watch it. And not only that, your title and thumbnail have to match your content. Make sure your hook at the start of the video concretes what your video is going to be about by making it very relatable to your title and thumbnail. In this video, I started by saying exactly what this video is going to be about, and it related to the title and thumbnail. All this comes before introducing yourself or your channel's intro. Do not do anything before putting your hook in. Lots of channels fail to do this, and that's the #1 reason you'll get a hockey stick looking graph like the one at the start of this video. If you don't know what your audience retention graph looks like, make sure to go check your last 10 to 20 videos, and you can look at places that it goes higher or lower than the average norm, and this either just means someone skipped or watched parts over in your video. Try and figure out why people are skipping certain parts or leaving your videos. Go back to your videos, watch and learn at those moments. All of this plays an important role in keeping your viewers engaged and watching your videos all the way till the end. Make sure to subscribe and hit that bell so you don't miss out on any YouTube channel tips and tricks, or you can head to the next one right now. See you there.